Hey everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Just hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button. You'll get a notification anytime a new video comes up. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure notifications are allowed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. All right, so my lawnmower died. Went up in a big puff of smoke. So I had to go out and buy a new lawnmower. So what I went out, I bought a Craftsman M250. Has a Honda 166cc engine in it. It is 21 inch and it's a 3-in-1. It does bagging, it does mulching, and it does side discharge. Pretty basic lawnmower, pretty similar to the one that I had that died. Unfortunately, they don't make the one that I had because I've had that for 7 years, so that would be ideal to have. But I can't get one of them. So we went to Lowe's last night, bought this one. It was one of the last ones on the shelf. As I got a mosquito in my face here. The only thing I'm worried with this is this has the other lawnmower that I had a Briggs & Stratton engine. This is a Honda engine. From what I read, I'm not too fond of Honda engines, but this is the only one that I could find that was, you know, close to what I wanted. So let's open this puppy up. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what's inside the box. It's pretty much put together itself. Slide this out a little bit. The box is so big for me to get around here. All right, double checking it here because the box was pretty banged up. We have the bag, and I'm assuming this is the frame for the bag here. Instruction manuals, and the oil's inside there, and the rest is the machine. Looks pretty identical to the one that I had. It was a Troy-built TB230 with a Briggs & Stratton engine. So let's take this out of the box and let's put her together. All right, so this is how it comes out of the box. Pretty basic for a lawnmower. I mean, gasoline here, pull cord here, air filter here, oil here. Actually, oil is on the other side. I think this is to shut the gas off to the carburetor. Okay, so we do that in the winter time, I would assume. Spark plug is up front here with the exhaust. And it looks like all I do is bring this out and just clip it in. Yeah, oops, as my mic cord goes across it. That looks as though it's it. That's all the assembly I needed. All I need to do is put some gas in it and put the oil in it. The oil is in a pouch. I don't know whether I like that. So let's go ahead and we'll do that. All right. So this is the oil that came with it. Okay, I guess it's a cheaper way for them to package it, but I gotta pour the entire contents into the oil. Take the dipstick out, it's completely dry. Unscrew the cap. sure the whole thing is emptied in there. Put the cap back on. Okay. Let's take it back off. Let's double check, make sure that it has enough oil in it, which is good. All right, next thing we need to do is we need to put some gas in it. Okay. Don't have to put oil into the gas. It's nice. It's a pain in the butt to have to do that. Unscrew the cap. Take this off. We don't need this on there anymore. And let's put some fresh gas in it. Yep, dry as a bone in there. Let's put this. All right, so we filled that up about 3/4 of the way. All right, last thing we got before I start this thing up is, this is actually a shut-off. As you can see up here, it's in the on position right now. If I want to shut it off, I just twist it clockwise, and then just need to take the plastic wrapper off there. All right, I'm gonna take this over. Let's start her up for the first time. All right, skip the step. I actually had to pull the handle out because it's blocking the blade in the motor. Don't forget to do that. All right, so what I need to do is I need to pull this up, goes in here, tighten this down, nice and tight. That way it's up here on the handle, it's a lot easier. So let's readjust this. Let's start her up. Don't like these. Don't like those. Those look very cheap. Those seem to be in pretty good. Let's try her. All right, figured out what I did wrong. This part here needs to go inside the bag. I knew I was missing a step. There is nothing in the instruction manual explaining it. So it should be fair. Hopefully I could just unclip this. Now I'm gonna have to take the whole thing off. This. And this. Yep, gotta take the whole thing off. Goes like that. There we go. That makes more sense. Okay. That makes a heck of a lot more sense. All right, so then we take it, we come down here. I don't like this wire. Holy mackerel, that's a lot of wire. It's gonna get in the way. We lift this up, and there are 2 slots where the 2 pins from the bag go. And make sure that's down. There we go. Holy crud, that was a pain in the butt. I just do a little area to show you basically what it looks like. Alright everyone, that's it. That's the unboxing setup, and I showed you how it worked. Yeah, I hope this is a good machine. Like I said, I wish I could have gotten the Troy-Bilt TB230, but they don't make it anymore. So we'll see how the Honda is. This is the first Honda engine I've ever had. I've always had the Briggs & Stratton engines. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button. You get a notification anytime I put up a new video. Just if you're using a mobile device, make sure that notifications are allowed or you won't get the notification. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you didn't like. Let me know what you like. Let me know if you have any questions. Right now it's about 90 degrees out here, heavy humidity. I'm not cutting the grass right now. I'll cut it a little bit later. So I'll do another video on this after I've used it a few times and give you my impressions. So that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And I'll be back to you guys again real soon.